Okay, let's do a cabin tour. Bolette, Fred Olsen's Bolette, cabin 7037. It's a Premier suite. On deck 7, bridge deck. And it is a beautiful cabin. Love these Premier suites. We've had one on Borealis as well. Exactly the same layout. So what do we have? We've got plenty of mirrors. There's cupboardy wardrobe thing there. There is shelves and safe there. Here we have a fridge. A couple of bits of our own in there. It's stocked, but you do pay for anything you use. Sort of storage there. There's wine in there. Beverage of your choice. Plant. Now there's another cupboard here. Cabin stewardess has put pillows in there because we asked for feather ones, so we've got spare pillows. PowerPoints. Lots of PowerPoints. Some British there, and I think that must be European. These lamps have USB, which is good. Comfy sofa and chairs, table, flowers, fruit, which is replenished. Not that we eat it, but they still come and give you fresh stuff. What we got? Got a clock. Aircon, which is good. We like it cool. You get robes. More storage down there. Reading lamps. Me. Massive bed. Very comfy as well. More cupboards. And loads of drawers. My problem is I forget where I put things. More cupboards. Nice TV. This stuff you pay for it if you use it. Doing coffee making facilities. These two, if you're in a Premier suite, you can choose a bottle of spirit of your choice included. I chose the Mount Gayron. Juliet chose the gin. Sorry about my voice, I've picked up a cold on this cruise. I don't normally, but I have. Not too bad. Alright. Into the dressing room area. Mirrors, mirrors, mirrors everywhere. Nice and bright. More storage. These are wardrobes, of course. I mean, we bring a lot of stuff, and there's tons and tons of room. Lots of room for everything. USB chargers, power. The bathroom for a Premier suite, quite small. I mean, it's nice. It does its job. But other Premier type suites we've had on other lines are the bathrooms are a lot better, a lot bigger. Maybe have a separate toilet, but it does have. We call them jacuzzis, don't we? But that's a trade name. It's a spa bath, whirlpool bath. Quite powerful, very nice. Washing line, of course, up there. But yeah, the only thing that lets the cabin down is the bathroom, I'd say, but it's okay. Right. I mentioned the telephones, 2 telephones, room service, etc. Room service is free, included I should say. Even hot breakfasts you can get in, I don't know about other cabins, but you can get them in this cabin, included, full English and all that kind of thing. The balcony, might be a bit windy out here, we're on our way to Belfast at the moment. Lovely big balcony. 2 lounger type things that can recline. 2 things to put your feet on. A little table. And then a table and 4 chairs. Massive balcony. The only thing that some people might find they don't like on this particular cabin, this particular Premier Suite, is this all overhang. If you're a sun worshipper, the sun won't reach you until it's pretty low in the sky. It's not a big overhang, doesn't bother us because we don't like sitting in the sun. But it's just after the ship. What's that, 1, 2, maybe 2 cabins down from us has the overhang, the rest don't. And going aft, a few more Premier Suites have the overhang. So if you don't want the overhang, have a cabin near the middle, not the front. But hasn't bothered us. The only other thing about this cabin, because of where it's placed, which is under the view buffet, I've sort of worked out that it's under the galley for the buffet, and at certain times it's quite noisy, quite a lot of bangs and crashes. So that's worth thinking about. What else? So if it's a bit rocky, a bit rolly, there is this hatchy thing here. Oh, what a racket that makes. I mean, all cabins are noisy when the weather's a bit dodgy, but that is exceptional. I've tried to stuff bits of cardboard in it to quieten it down when it's a bit rocky, but it doesn't work. Just put up with it. We've slept through it. So that's about everything I'd say. 2 aircon vents there. Aircon is really good. Yeah, so any questions, just write something in the comments and hopefully I'll be able to answer them. Well, there's this opposite, that's never bothered us. A few crew have been in and out of there, but that's caused no problem at all. That is the aft. That door leads you out to the aft swimming pool below. The door's just locked, but I do have my card in my pocket because I thought that might happen. And that's the front of the ship there, so love these cabins. But as I say, a couple of points to think about if you're having this actual cabin 7037.